solution to quick disconnect splitter rods. So I have mounting hardware from Professional Awesome Racing, and I have an Amazon brand splitter rods that I ran for about 3-4 months now, and they've been holding up pretty well. No issues. The only thing I would say is probably use a semi-permanent thread locker for tightening the bolts. At first the bolts were backing out, not backing out, but just loosening up. So add a little freaking thread locker and it should be primo. So let me show you the disconnect hardware from Professional Awesome and how I plan on mounting it to the splitter. So Professional Awesome sends a couple mounting situations. So they have a show type, and then obviously it's a little more expensive, and then they have a kind of hardware get it done type of clevis. The rest of the materials are the same, it's just the clevises they change, and which is the receiver for the splitter rod. So this is the black one, this show one, pretty nice. Alright, and then this is the business type, all business. I guess it'd be show if you like that little brush to look, but nice. And then both of them come ready to use with this carriage mounting bolt. I think it's like an elevator bolt, or what they call it, something like that. If you go on the website, it's in their spare parts. You'll be able to find it. The only thing is, there is a different bolt thread for the older one. So make sure you grab the newer one that'll go with both of these clevises. So once you mount that to the clevis, I have the Amazon hardware here. So these come with this clevis, and it's bolted through, and it's just a little bit bigger. So what I'm doing now is grinding down the sides and drilling out this bolt hole to receive this. I've already done it to all the other 5, and this is the last one. I just wanted to make a video and show you. So these, what I got. As you can see, you pull the hitch pin, you pull that pin through, and it disconnects. This is just my cheaper option, so just like that. So Professional Awesome sells some carbon rods that you trim and then you put in this locking pin, and you can have it there. This still holds its adjustability, so I won't have to measure and cut the carbon and all this stuff, and honestly I can just save the money. Now if you're going off the bat, you might would just buy the Professional Awesome, but I'll attach a link down below for these on Amazon. Obviously off-road use only. I wouldn't run this on the street, but it holds up. I have this on my street car. It's an 86. And let me show you, give you a little look-see. I have the splitter off right now, so keep that in mind. So this is my 2013 86 Rocket Bunny authentic kit. I am right now running these wheels. I understand they are XXRs, but they are beautiful and they're getting the job done. I do have in the budget for some new wheels, but we'll get to that later. That's the review and the showing of getting the Professional Awesome mounting hardware to fit on those cheaper, still durable Amazon splitter rods. And then you'll need this too. 9/32 drill bit to get that hole perfect. Alright, I'll put all the links below. Great seeing you guys, and stay tuned.